Understanding not half bad, a simple guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, not half bad. This is a common expression in English, often used in everyday conversations. By understanding phrases like this, you'll not only enrich your vocabulary but also sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in. The phrase, not half bad, is an interesting example of English idiomatic language. At first glance, it might seem a bit confusing. The phrase is actually a double negative, which in English often implies a positive meaning. When someone says something is not half bad, they mean it's quite good or satisfactory, but not necessarily excellent. It's often used in a somewhat understated or modest way to express approval or pleasant surprise. Let's look at some examples to understand how not half bad is used in real-life scenarios. 1. After watching a movie, I thought that film would be boring, but it was not half bad. 2. Tasting food. I'm not a great cook, but this dish turned out not half bad. 3. Evaluating work. Your first attempt at painting is not half bad. In these examples, not half bad is used to express that something is better than expected, but the speaker is being modest or understated in their praise. There are other expressions in English that convey a similar sentiment. Phrases like, pretty good, quite decent, or not too shabby, also indicate that something is good, often better than anticipated, but they might carry slightly different connotations or be used in different contexts. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, not half bad. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this can add flavor to your language and help you sound more like a native speaker. Practice using not half bad in your conversations where it feels natural. I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next language learning adventure. Happy learning!